Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and thanks for joining me in another episode. So this is another one of me and Raytown's custom projects, custom jobs that we did. It's been quite a long time since we did this one, but I've been having a few problems with putting it all together, and yeah, I'm still getting used to my whole editing program, my new computer and everything, but I'm finally getting a chance to put it all together. And I'm really excited to share it with you guys because I was really honored to be there both days to see it come together and everything. And it took a lot. You know, there's two countertops, welding one countertop together, a really long one. And then we had to weld another countertop together on top. And so it was just a ton of work. But I'm really excited to share it with you guys. And I really hope you guys enjoy. It's really, it's one of my things I enjoy most about working where I work. Is doing custom projects with Ray and him teaching me and welding and everything. It's a big hobby of mine and I really love it, and I'm really glad I was able to capture pretty much the beginning of this project and the end of it. You know, of course there's a few things that I didn't capture, but yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy this, and yeah, here we go. Hey guys, so in this point in the video, we have tacked and welded the first side of the countertop. So the whole top of it is welded. This countertop that we're doing, this weld we're doing, is a flat seam. So basically what that means is that we welded the top of the countertop, so there's a flat weld on the top of it. And then after that's all done, we flip it upside down, or flip it so it's standing straight up like this, and then we have a thing that's called a dolly. It's like a metal block. It's flat block like this, and as Ray's doing it, I'll hold it up and where there's a seam where it got hot or whatever and made a bubble or something weird. I'm not exactly sure, but he looks for certain spots, and then I hold the dolly, the little block, up against it, and he uses a really small pointy metal hammer. It's got like a point on the end, and then there's a round part to it, and he hits it hard and it fixes that, and he fixes it. And so sometimes we'll have to do it several different times, going up and down the weld, and then we'll use like an orbital sander, I believe it is. I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but it's a sander, and he goes and smooths the whole weld out. And I'll have a couple pictures here coming up that you'll see what it looks like, you know, from when you can see the weld to no weld at all. It's pretty amazing, and these flat seams look amazing. He does a great job at that. I've helped him quite a few times do flat seams and stuff like that, and man, when they're done, when this is completely done, you can't even tell that it is welded. It's amazing. But yeah, I just wanted to explain that to you a little bit so that you know that it's a flat seam, and so you know it takes a lot more time to do this flat seam. But for a kitchen, I mean, when you look at this video, I don't know, you know, if you looked at it in real life, like, you know, you've seen it, it would be pretty amazing to see the difference from, you know, the weld where you can clearly see that somebody welded it to then the next steps after that, you can't even tell it's been welded except for maybe a little scuff mark or whatever. But anyways, I just want to explain that to you guys. And back to the video. Hey guys, so this is what the countertop looks like after we have welded the top of it, welded the back side of it, and then we have taken the dolly block and pounded the back side of it and made it look really nice on top, and finished the whole process of the top of the first countertop, with it being all pounded out and flattened and all smooth. And then we took the sander or orbital sander, I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but as we took that and we smoothed it all out, and we did a whole process on the top of the countertop. So that's what it looks like after it's done. Pretty amazing, huh? You can't even tell it's been welded. It's crazy. But back to the video. Whoops. Alright guys, so this is the little pass-through that we made. We didn't cut the hole or anything for the pass-through where when people are cooking they put the dishes through the little pass-through right to the sink. We didn't cut the hole or do nothing like that. But we made the trim that goes along the outside of it so it looks really nice, you know, to match the two countertops and everything. We just did the little trim pieces that go up and along the whole thing. We did that. So yeah, that's what this is. That turned out amazingly, so I'll show you guys that picture. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video, and that is the finished product, the finished job that me and Ray did. It's been quite a while since we did it. Like I said, I had a few difficulties with my camera, and I've really been working on this video, trying to edit it and make it really cool, and so that you guys can understand exactly. And you know, I'm just trying to up my content and make my content better all the time for you guys, especially with my new computer. There's a ton that I can do with it to make it better, and just, you know, upping my game on my videos and stuff like that. So it's just taking me a little bit of time to get it done, but I'm really excited that you know, I'm really excited that it's getting done, and I think it's going to be really cool. It's bringing a whole lot more to my channel, and there's going to be a ton more of these videos of custom projects that me and Ray are doing. We have another one in the shop right now. We're working on a custom Jeep. We're doing the top and a bunch of things to that. So once we finish that, I'll be posting that video. I'll make a whole thing on that so you guys can see that, and a ton more videos coming to you guys, you know, custom projects here, and a ton more coming to you. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I put a ton of time into editing it, and just, you know, working on it to make it look really good. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and you know, learned something maybe, and yeah. But if you guys enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. Also, tap the bell notification so that you know when I upload next. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel to follow along. Got more coming out to you all the time. And yeah, tons more content coming out, and we're only going up from here. I'm improving my videos more, and trying to do more videos often, and tons more coming out to you. So stay tuned and check that out. Also, leave me some comments about what you thought about this video, and what you thought, how you thought it turned out. It was really, I am really excited that I was there, and that I got to see the ending of it. It was really cool. I love when we get to do the custom countertops and the custom restaurants. Working with Ray is one of my favorite things about this whole job. He teaches me so much, and we're a great team together. We make some amazing work, and yeah, so it's amazing. But yeah, leave me some comments about this video, what you thought, and if you have any suggestions for me on either editing them or anything like that, let me know, and I'll try to get back to you guys. Yeah, I have all my social medias linked in the description. Go ahead and follow me on those. I've been posting a ton on my Instagram of new edits and all sorts of different things like that. So go ahead and check that out. And also, go ahead and check out Tracy's YouTube channel. She put up a new video not too long ago, and more coming out to that too. It's right on my home channel, so check that out. And everybody have a fantastic night.